This one's our top seller. It looks so comfortable. It is. Here, feel it. I'll take one too.
From raw materials to retail shelves, we ensure every step is precise. Our process guarantees premium quality lingerie. From thread to shelf, our premium lingerie undergoes a meticulous manufacturing process. Each step ensures the
denim study shows comfort is key. Yes, and Gen Z wants sustainability. Let's check the size
Stage 1.
feedback.
Deep market research. This research guides the entire production process.
Comfort is the top priority.
Right, and extended sizing is critical.
For fall, earth tones.
And wide legs are trendy.
The research shows strong demand for breathable fabrics. Yes, and the global trends align with our sourcing. Let's adjust the gusset curve here
Okay, I'm updating the pattern.
and add more support in the front. Softness test complete. Stretch results are good. Next is color fastness.
Elongation at 55%, excellent. Checking the approval form, all criteria passed. Now for the light fastness sample.
Pattern is aligning perfectly. Good. Proceed to the next batch. Noted. Moving on.
Patterns loaded, ready to cut.
Confirmed. Start the sequence.
Initiating cut.
Watch the alignment.
Patterns looking good.
Yes, speed is optimal.
Ready for the next batch.
Make sure the lace is smooth. Got it. This one is almost done.
This lot is looking very clean. Yes, the softness is perfect. Moving to final inspection.
Next one, looking good.
These are ready for the rinse. Okay, loading the next batch.
Lace trim is perfect, yes, and stitching is uniform. Marking it approved. Next one. Strap width is standard.
Lace is secure, no defects.
Marking is passed.
Good. Next set. Stitching verified on the maroon set. Beige bra lace alignment is perfect. Pink garment passed, ready for
Straps
packaging.
are secure on this one. Band width is perfect here.
Move this to past. Luxe Intimates, on-time delivery 98.7%. Global logistics, worldwide reach.
Luxury lingerie, delivered with care. From warehouse to world, on time, every time. From our warehouse to your door, we deliver with precision. Luxe Lingerie Logistics, your global partner.
This one looks nice.
Yes, the lace is so soft.
Let me feel it. It feels great.
Blue one is really popular.
It's nice. Do you have it in pink?
We do. Here you go. Thank
This
you.
one's our top seller. It looks so comfortable.
It is. Here, feel it.
I'll take one too.